Hi, welcome to SpaceX. Here we are in the lobby. It's very white right now, but there are actually some cool elements coming in soon that will make it less white. In the front of the building we have our engineering offices and space for about 300 people per floor, and we've got a total of about 3 floors that we can open. Right now only the first floor is occupied. We try to aim for something which is a very open plan to maximize communication and make it sort of fairly nice looking. This place used to be quite dismal. That's my office over there, actually. We really try to minimize the number of offices that we have because doors limit communication. Everyone at the company, with the exception of a few people in like HR and finance, actually are in cubes, including vice presidents over there. There's Gwen at her cube.
I should have cleaned up if I knew coming. Although this is really reality, I guess. I'm responsible for sales. I'm in charge of making sure that there's revenue here in the company, and we're working on lots of Falcon 1 deals, Falcon 9 deals, and Dragon deals.
So this is just a little area where people can meet and have sort of an impromptu meeting. Obviously also very open. I think it's actually quite helpful to have this openness because then you can sort of see what people are working on their computers. Like what Matt McEwen here is doing. What are you working on there?
I'm making a assembly documentation for the Draco.
Okay.
RCS engine. David
is driving the development of our in-space thruster, which is called Draco, there's a little piece of it. Well, actually, that's just a sample spun cone. Yeah.
So, yeah, we're doing a lot of our testing at our facility down there. We got a new vacuum system, so kind of going back and forth between there and trying to move progress along.
Right. So the Draco engine is what is used in our Dragon spacecraft, and also in the upper stage of Falcon 9 for orbital maneuvering and re-entry. But this is our meeting room, VIP meeting room for when we meet with our customers, and if the CEO of a customer comes through or something like that. It's kind of cool because it's got this glass that goes opaque, and we put a motion sensor on it, so as you walk in, the glass goes opaque. We named our conference rooms after the great rocket engineers and great scientists related to space. So we think they really deserve the credit for enabling us to become a spacefaring civilization. So we're fairly science and engineering centric. We have some conference rooms named after astronauts too, but we try to focus more on the people that actually designed and built the rocket.